Good afternoon, my dear ladies and gentlemen. This is, of course, Lightliger here, as always, and today we're going to be continuing with the faucet videos, and we're going to be focusing on a coin called Tezos. You might have heard about it, sitting currently at number 11 by market cap, and Tezos has done really well this year. First of all, 128% up this year, and a lot of things have been built also on Tezos, have been adapted on many wallets this year, and I'm pretty certain there's going to be a lot more dApps built also on Tezos, so it's going to become a lot more bigger competitor for Ethereum, for example, and it's one of those front runners in the race right now, in my opinion, in terms of coins that have really a lot of potential. And I'm probably going to be doing more videos about Tezos. I have reviewed a couple of wallets or so, and probably going to be doing some dApp reviews in the future. Make sure to draw some tips, and obviously those will incentivize me to do more Tezos related content. But let's start with the faucets. So first of all, we have Tezos Foundation faucet, which is basically you have to verify your phone number. There's a line, so you are in a waiting list once you fill in your phone number and Tezos address. And if you get accepted, you will get 0.02 Tezos per every minute. That's pretty crazy. And I'm still on the waiting line, so the foundation is watching this video. Make sure to hook me up, okay? Put me in the front row, okay? But yes, a pretty insane type of faucet, and these types of things I would wish to see more from established organizations, from the big chains altogether. Like, you have to throw some money so people get to try it out. How does it work? How does the staking work? All of that testing, and just using the wallet. And this is how you get people into. People always ask me, what's the point of faucet? You get so little. It's not about the actual amount. It's about being part of the system, creating a wallet, and learning about using Tezos. That's the idea there. But definitely go sign up here. You get basically a text message in your phone, and then you get verified, and then you're on the line basically. The second faucet we have is Bandar. Talked about it a couple of times. You basically do offer walls or short links, and you get these auto-claim charges, which you can use on many different coins on the site. I'm currently using Tezos, and you can also get Turbo if you have over 1,000 points. Right now I have 20,000 here, so quite a lot of, and it does take some time to make all of these claims go, but definitely still one option to go with. Obviously, if you want to speed up the process, choose only 1 or 2 coins max, or just 1 Tezos, so the faster claiming process will happen. And next up we have Duchy Corp, and this is another very similar type of a site, although it does have potential to allow withdrawals directly into micro wallet sites. But including here, you have Tezos, one which will be automatically decredited into your Duchy Corp account. And what you need to do is you can do short links. They actually have a lot of tasks what you can do, view advertisements, and basically, and there's a lot of pop-ups on this site, just so you know. And once you have basically filled in CAPTCHAs and everything, you can start the auto faucet, and this will basically just keeps rolling out as long as you have charges. So Duchy is kind of like the currency that they are using on the website, and this will be accumulated on how many basically claims you can make on the site. And here are some of the things you can get these charges on: surfing ads, achievements, contests, social jobs. There's even a couple of dice games here, and etc. And then we have the last one, which is BTC CAPTCHA. And this is pretty simple design here. What only thing you need to do is complete the CAPTCHA. The CAPTCHA does change on a regular basis, and by completing the CAPTCHA, you will get a flat reward. Once you have 0.1 Tezos, or sorry, 1 Tezos, you can basically get the reward. You get 250 per claim, Tezos, or whatever is the small currency actually called. If you actually know, please let me know in the comment section below. And that's pretty much all the options you have to go with. And then you obviously have Earn Crypto, which probably is going to be adding Tezos. Let me actually confirm here. Does Tezos exist on there? Yeah, it's not yet there, but also Express Crypto is going to be adding Tezos very, very soon into their platform. Technically, it's there. So Express Crypto is another micro wallet, and once it's available there, there's going to be a lot more of these places where you can basically claim Tezos. And that pretty much wraps up my review of the top 4 Tezos faucets. As always, you can leave some tips, which supports my work. More money I have, more time I have for crypto. That's more about it. And also, if Tezos community supports me, I want to support them in back, create more content about Tezos, whatever it's wallet reviews or coin reviews or dApp reviews. There's a lot of things coming up in Tezos, which I'm excited about. And I hope there's going to be more development and more people interested in building in Tezos instead of like Ethereum or EOS, for example. And thanks for watching. Check out my other faucet videos on the playlist. You can find pretty much all the coins. And I got a couple of still coming up in the channel, obviously. But thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time.